In this video, we'll be talking about chords. We'll be diving deep in the later modules, but right now, I just want to give you a brief introduction. A chord is a collection of pitches being played at the same time. So, this is a chord right here. This is also a chord. And technically, this is a chord right here as well. This is going to make the harmony of the song. There are three main components when it comes to music. First is the melody, second, the harmony, and the third is the rhythm. When I'm talking about harmony, I'm thinking about the color of the song, the feel, the mood, the atmosphere, the vibe. You can have a really catchy melody, but by itself, it might sound a bit empty. But once you start adding the harmony, that's when it can really fill out your music. Two chords we'll be going over today is the basic major and minor triad. And this makes up majority of the music you hear right now. You might hear something a bit more advanced, but once you really break it down, it starts with a really simple chord. A triad is a chord with 3 notes in it. Let's go over the major chords first. We'll be starting at C. That's going to be our root note. From our root, we'll be going into a major third and a perfect fifth. For a minor chord, we're starting with C, and the intervals are minor third and then a perfect fifth. So the only difference between a major and a minor triad is the semitone moving in the middle. Later on in the course, we'll be adding more extensions, inversions, and all the other advanced chord voicings. An easy way to practice is just like the skill exercise I told you about on my last video. Just pick a random note on the keyboard and create a major and minor triad. So let's use this example with F. So to create a F major triad, root note, major third, perfect fifth. To create a minor triad, root note, minor third, perfect fifth. Pick a random key on the keyboard and try it out for yourself.